Hello,
ब्रो आप किधर से?
I'm from India. Where are you from?
आप इंडिया से? मैं भी इंडिया।
Okay.
विच स्टेट? फ्रॉम विच स्टेट?
Okay, I'm from West Bengal.
वेस्ट बंगाल से?
Yes. Where are
हेलो
you
ब्रो,
from?
आई एम फ्रॉम तेलंगाना।
Okay, really great. So, what do you do, brother?
आई एम स्टडीइंग 12th स्टैंडर्ड।
Okay, so,
डिडंट कंप्लीट नाउ।
okay, that's great. That's great. So, why are you here? Like, what is the main reason why are you here?
Oh, what I am staying in Omegle,
What?
searching for some guys, and
Okay,
anybody not interested to talk to me, so I want to
okay.
interact with the people online, so I came here.
So great. Really, it's really going to fun, I think. Are you feel happy to
हाँ
talk
this
with stranger people?
हाँ, I
Really?
also used to be, हाँ yes yes yes.
Okay, okay,
So
okay.
what are you doing in the shop? What's the shop?
This is like online shop, and just I'm
Online
here.
shop.
Yeah, why I'm here because there is network is full, so that's why I just use this place and trying to speak with you. So like, just
Oh,
tell me, are you studying in CBSE board or like
state
your
board,
state board?
Telangana state board,
Okay,
Telangana state board.
okay, okay. So what do you think
I'm
about your South Indian people?
South Indian people.
Yeah.
Even I am a South Indian.
Yes, I know
What do I think about?
you were South Indian, but I
Uh,
am asking you that what do you think about South Indian people? Because what I know about South Indian because they always talk very positive way and they always better in English language. What do you think about
uh,
this matter?
well, the South Indian speak a little bit English, but
No,
we,
not little bit. They always speak better than rest of India, I think.
better than rest of India because Kerala literacy rate is more than in any state.
Yes,
And
exactly.
exactly, we always wanted to talk in English. That our education system also very well developing. Our
Okay.
CM also taking so many steps to improve English language and other
Oh,
languages.
so give me some example like which types of steps the government doing for study purpose for learning English purpose.
And whatever I used to learn English,
Okay,
uh, some apps like I use mainly a dictionary. I will use a dictionary.
okay. No,
I used to search
I
spelling.
just asked you that as you told me that your government has doing something as you told me
Huh.
that for
Yes,
learning
yes.
purpose, for speaking purpose, for English language purpose. So I just want to
Huh.
know about some example like what is they are doing.
They used to implement a program that if we talk in any other language than English, they used to put a fine.
Okay, okay,
If
it's
we, if
really
we
great.
talk in another language.
Yeah, yeah. So, just tell me, what do you think about Hindi language? Maybe you know
Hindi language.
better in Hindi language
A little
also.
bit, a little bit.
Okay. So, tell me something about Hindi language. What do you think as Hindi is our national language.
Hindi, our national language. I know a little bit Hindi, but Hindi is most important because most of the states in our India speak Hindi, mainly
Yeah.
in the northern states.
Oh yes, yes, yes. But
We have to
according
learn
to
Hindi.
me, as like how you were talking, it's enough to communicate rest of India, isn't?
Can, can you come again? I can't understand. I didn't hear.
Actually,
Hey,
I
sound
told
ಬಂದಿದೆ.
you that whatever the way you were talking, so it's okay for communication purpose all over India or rest of India.
Communication purpose.
No,
In Hindi
what?
language or?
Yes, yes. You were talking like me with me. So, what is the
Yes.
way you are talking? So, it's enough to communicate to anyone.
Yes.
No need to go with Hindi language because in English. So, it's
Yes.
no need to go
It's
in Hindi.
okay.
But yeah, absolutely,
Um,
we have to know about our national language. because
But
as a we are
one thing
proud.
I want,
Yeah, go
one
ahead.
thing I want to say that the South Indian people are very interested in they wanted to learn the language Hindi, but North Indian people are not interested to learn any language like Telugu or
Yes,
Kerala,
yes, yes, yes.
Kannada.
Exactly, exactly. Well, maybe Telugu, Tamil language maybe harder than rest of language. Harder. What do you think? Like, it's not harder?
They are not. If we are interested, anything is not hard.
Yeah, exactly, exactly, exactly.
Some people like and if Telugu if Telugu people went to some places like Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh,
Mm-hmm.
for their livelihood they wanted to learn Hindi. But if any person from there they come here,
Mm-hmm.
they again also talk in Hindi, but they don't show interest to learn any other languages.
Exactly, exactly.
That's
Yeah,
that's the point
absolutely.
I want.
Yeah. So just tell me how you prepare yourself, like in this language, how you prepare yourself for better communication purpose, like daily routine, like you are practicing with different kinds of people, different countries people, like how you practice,
Better can I used to watch some of the English movies.
like give me example, like
Uh, There with I wanted to you see other movies, but with the subtitles of English, so I can
okay,
understand the meaning and the content,
yeah,
so I can learn much of them.
yeah. Do you believe or not? But I believe that Kerala's movie, South Indian movies, Kerala, especially for Kerala's
Uh,
movies, I love too much to see those movies because they always share, unique point. They always share their
you
opinion and realistic movie. What is going
There's
on
a
in our
good
India?
content in Telugu
Yes,
and that movies.
yeah,
You
exactly.
watch it Tripler and KGF.
Well, I don't know that name, but I always believe, I always watch, Kerala, especially Kerala's movies. I always
Kerala movies.
motivated like dabbed movies.
Huh.
So it's
Motivation.
interesting. They are always try to show us all over India that what is going on, especially for youth. Is what is happen nowadays. That types of
They have
situation
very
they are
good
showing.
content, bro. They have very good content to see the movies.
Yes, yes,
That's
yes.
why North Indian people are also very interested to watch the movies. So the languages are also dubbed in different languages, and they're also published in other countries also, like North Korea,
Mm-hmm.
China.
Yeah, and that's why Bollywood also grabbing that types of like South Indian film, like they
South Indian film.
doing sequel, South Indian
Ah,
film to
yes, yes.
Bollywood movie,
Kabir
like
Singh.
yeah,
In Telugu, it is
adopted
called Arjun
like
Reddy.
Bollywood adopted, South Indian film like KGF, RR, like
Huh.
these types of movie. They,
KGF
you
is
know,
a sensational movie that
yeah,
came from.
yes. So
You watched it?
actually, I didn't watch fully, but I watched some of portion because due to some reason I haven't time to watch. But I
Ah.
will watch. It's my interest. So
What have you studied till now?
did you watch
I watched the movie three times.
3 times? Oh my God.
I watched one time in theater and two times in mobile.
Okay, okay, that's great, great. Actually,
What's your education?
yeah, go ahead.
What have you studied?
Yeah, well, I am studying in Open University. I'm doing my graduation. I mean,
In
I
university.
am in,
Completely graduate.
yeah, yeah,
Nice, bro.
yeah. So still, last 1.5 year I started learning, and this is really, I feel happy that whatever the way I'm talking, so it's going to fun to talk with different kinds of people all over India, and you know other I can say country as well, so it's going to fun if we know this language, so we definitely feel happy to talk with different kinds of people.
What do you do for living, bro? You
Well,
own the shop.
yeah, no, it's my brother shop, but still I'm
Uh,
not doing something unique, but I will do
you
something unique. It's secret.
It's secret. You won't tell anybody.
Yeah, yeah. I'm not telling you in a public place. I'm not sharing with you. But who is there? Like, yeah, who is hide? Yeah, themselves. There is something, guys, is available in behind in your side.
Yes.
Yeah.
Till now, you didn't get any job. You completed your graduation.
No, actually, I haven't completed. Still, I am in third year. Third year. Yeah, 1 month later, I will have to complete my
Graduation.
examination. So after that, I will.
Bro, do you have girlfriend?
Oh, it is also secret. It is.
Please, sir, you won't tell anybody.
Hey!
My friend is asking from behind. He is not on the
Yeah,
camera.
bro. Your friends also come to talk with me. Why they are hiding themselves? It's not fair. If they
They are
want
a
to
little
ask
bit
me,
shy.
so yeah, that is the
This guy.
biggest problem with them, I think. If they talk, if they started talking with me with others, so they can speak
I
later.
don't think you deserve to see me, bro.
Why, brother? Why? Why do you think on that route?
He's just kidding, bro.
So,
Bro, I am big
Hey,
so
star.
all of you are in a hostel or where? Or PG?
this guy. Wait, I will show you.
Okay, okay.
He is so shy.
Okay,
He's going
he
to run away from me.
didn't
I
know.
only show my face to girls, bro.
Okay,
he's,
Okay,
he's
hi.
like
okay,
an
okay, okay.
he's like an introvert.
Okay.
This guy, this
Thank.
guy, this guy come now only. Always talking with his
Hi, bro.
girlfriends.
Yeah.
Hi, bro.
This
Hello.
guy.
So, what
Want
do
to
you
speak
like?
with him?
All of you, what are you doing nowadays? Like now,
Watching porn, bro.
No, no.
so
He is just kidding.
okay, okay, I got it, I got it. Because it is coming these types of sound through this side website. Because these types of people always, come to talk with
Yes,
this
they interrupt
word.
and they interrupt the conversation.
Yes, exactly, exactly.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Yeah, nice to meet you too. If we have chance, we will next time. So see you soon.
Bro, what's your name?
My name is Kaiser Alam.
Kaiser Alam.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, from ISI.
how did you say? Celebrated Ramzan?
Yes,
Ramzan?
absolutely, absolutely. I have completed.
You celebrated?
Yeah.
Okay, bye,
Bro,
bro.
bro, we are gonna watch porn. Do you want to
Okay,
join?
bye.
Okay, see you soon.
Bye, bro.
Yeah.
Okay, bye, bro.
Yeah, bye. See you soon.